It's kind of hot out today, so I'll get the kids to do my work. That's not how we do it. Why don't you open the box, Landon? There we go. So clearly, as you can tell, we're unboxing these new Lasfit all-weather floor mats for the Tesla Model Y. How cool is that? I didn't even know they made them for this. Went and looked it up, and sure enough, Model Y floor mats. I don't know if you guys remember this. I had Lasfit floor mats in my 2019 Silverado. I absolutely loved them, and from the looks of it, these mats are just as quality. Hold on, lay it down, buddy. Lay it down. That's the trunk mat, right? So this is the cargo mat. See, when they come in the box, they're a little bit wrinkled, but that's because they've been rolled up in that little tube. So we want to lay them, hey, lay them face up, buddy, not upside down. Want to lay them out in the sun. Obviously it's sunny.
And Leaman just jumped in
and let the sun soften the rubber up a little bit. See some of these wrinkles like this right here? It'll lay down a lot more flat.
Is it supposed to say
after time.
if it's on the front?
It is.
Don't need these.
These things are awesome. Don't need the instructions? That's my guy right there. We don't need no instructions.
We're a DIY guy.
Not for floor mats.
We're DIY guys.
We're DIY guys? Okay. Well, eventually these floor mats will take up my entire driveway. What you got there? The last one? These look like front seat. That looks like one big back seat. All right, lay that one out. Let's see it.
I can't get it. I can't get it.
Come on. Put it out here in the sun. All the way out here in the sun. Yeah, there you go. Just flip it over. Do whatever you want.
No sense.
Nice. They're actually not that bad right out of the box.
No sense.
Okay. You have no clue how bad I needed these floor mats. The carpet in this car just takes a beating. It's so bad. These carpet floor mats. And I clean it all the time and it just does not matter. Look at that. Just stuff. Does not matter at all. It takes a complete beating. Back seat's probably even worse. Don't mind the popsicle, it's hot outside. Oh yeah. Gatorade bottles and trash, candy wrappers, a little bit of everything. Trunk is the same. Yeah. Some wadding from a shoe, pair of shoes that I bought. It's just bad, all over bad. So these should help a lot. And the other plus is the boxes entertain your kids. Leaman, can you get all the way in there? Landon's pretty much, I could probably ship him back to the company and see if I can get my money back.
Yeah, get my money back.
Do a little product exchange.
Feet are already touching the back.
I could just tape over your head. We could probably ship it as is.
Touching the back.
All right, fast forward one day. We got rain coming in this afternoon. You can see the sky's already kind of clouding up, so we might as well go ahead and pull the car out, get the interior vacuumed, and get these floor mats in. All right, time to get these put in. Go ahead and grab the front ones. We got the car all vacuumed out. Of course, the sun decided to come out and make everything a lot hotter. Actually, we'll start with the cargo mat first. Should be pretty straightforward. So you can just drop right in. So we'll snug it up in the front there. It's tight, that's for sure. Oh yeah, look at that. Just enough room to grab this. You can still open the hatch. Lays down flat. See if it closes good. Nice. No issues at all. Looks like it fits really good. Stops right before the hatch, so it doesn't like wrinkle or compress or get kind of pinched there. All right, one down, 3 to go. Guess we'll go ahead and do the back seat next. There's a one piece second row mat here. Love these mats. I know this is a review video, but I'm kind of biased. All right, I guess we'll just throw it in there. I don't think that's how it's supposed to go. All right. Probably put this in backwards. Oh, that'll work. Be a lot easier if we would have put the front down first. What's the fun in that though? Oh gosh, that fits really nice. Look at that, holy cow. It's like it was made for this thing. Who would have thought? All right, I've got to say I'm a little more skeptical about the front because this is a one-piece mat and my factory mat was two-piece. You can see right there. So they don't quite look the same, but we'll see. All right, we'll go front in. Oh, it's real sticky carpet. So I'm guessing this goes under this, maybe? I don't know what happens here. I guess that's what... That's my thought, and maybe... Yeah, that's got to go under that. All right, front's in. Definitely goes under that little lip right there, and the same thing right here. That makes it fit a lot better. The only thing that I don't like right here, there's like this hollow spot where it looks like the mat could go down a little bit. But I'm gonna let it sit for a while. It may kind of flex into the shape. It's still pretty stiff. So overall not bad. This one looks like it's gonna do the same thing. Oh, this little tab right here looks like it's gonna go underneath my pillar or my kick panel. Let's see here. Drops in. Yep, look at that. It's just like molded right around that corner right there, and you can tell that it's just supposed to go right up under there. There we go. See that little edge disappears underneath the trim. Fits good. The only thing, again, when you put your feet here, you kind of have some, like a hollow spot where it wants to lift the mat up, but I think that'll settle down. Already putting it into work here with the Lasfit mat. Loaded up some center blocks in the back of the car. Hopefully it doesn't scratch it too much. Oh. And we also have this wonderful pile of dirt in our yard. Yeah. So our homeowners association told us that we couldn't have a permanent above ground pool. So we bought a temporary above ground pool. It's not super big, but it's big enough to be a pool, and it's super cheap. And so instead of going through the $30,000 or $40,000 and 2-year wait to put an in-ground pool, we're gonna spend about $500 and have a 14-foot, 42-inch deep above ground pool for the kids. And then if the homeowner association tries to say something, we will just take it down. Because they say you can have above ground pool as long as it is, what did they call it, Lindsay? Seasonal? As long as it's seasonal, meaning it can be taken down at the end of the year or in winter. So this pool's easy enough that we can take it down. But our yard is not flat. So yeah, it looks flat, but it's definitely not flat. So we're gonna build a little retaining wall and backfill it with dirt. We gotta bring it up about 14 inches and then we can put the pool in, it'll be flat.
Flat like a rock.
So even though I don't have a Duramax anymore, I can still throw down in the back of the Tesla. We hauled 10 cinder blocks like a champ, didn't even know it was there. Not bad for a car. So now we're done, we can just take this mat full of concrete dust, pull it out, Shake it in the driveway. Actually, I probably won't shake it in the driveway.
Shake it.
Yeah, well, I'll shake it in the car dirt. How about that? Good as new. It looks the exact same, doesn't it? Yeah, it's just dusty now instead of rocks everywhere. Look at that. These Lasfit mats coming in handy. What has it been, 1 day since I put them in? 2 days maybe? Right back to new. Guys, so it's been about a little over a week since I got the floor mats from Lasfit in the old Model Y here. And I like them a lot. I've used the crap out of them. Let's see here. You can see I've loaded plenty of concrete in here. I've still got concrete dust. Got to clean it, but held up really well. And obviously they protected the carpet underneath. Doing their job. Back seats, I'm sure my kids have ruined. Yep, definitely have. But again, floor mats holding up great. Look at the seats. Look at these kids. They just throw whatever mud and dirt they want around. But floor mats are taking it. Front seat, same thing, I'm sure. Yeah, taking it like a champ. I will say the only thing awkward about this is this setup right here. Just how it attaches right there under the lip. Like, it fits good, but if you move it, it pops out real easily. And I can show you on the driver's side. Driver's side's already popped out right there. And I've tried to tuck it all the way, and there's like a little line you can put it in. Tried it both ways, and then obviously that. But I think it's just getting in and out of it. Overall, though, you can see the floor mat's doing its job just fine. Fits really well. Looks good. Overall, just a great set of floor mats. I had these in my Silverado, like I said. And you guys, if you want them, you can get them on their website. I'll put the link in the description below, and I'll also put a code where you can get, I want to say it's 10% off your order at lasfit.com. So I'll put that in the description below as well. But look, just because you don't have a Tesla, they make these for all kinds of different cars. 2019 Silverado that I had, I love the floor mats that were in that from Lasfit. Go on their website. If you're not sure if they make them for your car, you can go on the website, check it out. You can search by year, make, and model and find out. And if not, I'm sure they'll have them soon. They keep adding them all the time. Check them out, guys. Really awesome floor mats. We'll see you in the next one.